look spooked. You've been seeing what the Protoss has to show ya. The memories shine through you as clear as day.
I saw a hybrid. Something unnatural. It was trying to corrupt the Protoss preservers. Who would have sent it there? Who controls something like that?
The one that made them for sure. That was just the first of many. Dark harbingers, man. Soon they'll be beyond numbering. And the stars will weep at what comes after.
How could you know all this?
I don't. I just feel it be true.
Level 800, Elite Terran Chieftain is back with a new album, pulse-pounding rock that will shake the galaxy. Rock out with such hits as Rogues Do It From Behind, Terran Up the Night, Another Hydralist Bites the Dust, Saturday Night's Alright for Nuking, Lucy in the Sky with Mutus, Every Rose Has Its Thorn, Touring in Your Galaxy, no! Rock and roll!
Welcome back, sir. What did you discover from the crystal this time?
It's that obvious I used it, huh? Zeratul took the prophecy fragments he found to a temple, library, kind of both, I guess. But this weird Protoss-Zerg hybrid had taken over the place.
You mean some sort of infested Protoss?
No, this wasn't like infestation at all. It was like someone took the strengths of both races and twisted them together. I gotta tell you, if these things are real, we're in a lot of trouble.
I return to our ruined homeworld of Aiur. The Zerg infestation still covered much of our beloved world. The desiccated remains of the Overmind were still there, a grim reminder of battles lost and battles won.
I remember the fall of Aiur. Don't much like the idea of having to see it all again. Guess there's nothing for it.
At the very apex of its victory against us, the Zerg Overmind grew overconfident. Now, all that was left of the mighty Overmind was a twisted, withered husk. I needed to understand whatever memories lingered within the creature's rotting mass. Only by making contact with the gargantuan tendrils connected directly to its cortex could I learn its secrets. Yet its countless minions, which seemed to be feeding from its dead husk, would prove somewhat problematic. I must find a way to establish a foothold and summon reinforcements to keep the Zerg at bay. Dash Salak. This faithful observer has kept watch since the evacuation. Its abilities will certainly prove useful now. In the service of Aiur. We must not hesitate. some of these abandoned structures remain functional, we shall make use of them. This ancient beacon still thrums with power. I wonder... I've heard tales of the mighty colossi sealed away beneath Aiur. The beacon must have awoken these fearsome guardians. The Zerg perceive a threat to their dead master.
Construct additional pylons.
The Zerg will keep coming until we are dead. I must find the Overmind's cortex and discover what I can from it. Shozak Maknul. I will be redeemed. Address me, I will erase the demons of the past. If we use our observers wisely, we can scout the area before putting ourselves at risk. These warp gates appear to be functional. Perhaps there's a chance. You address me. We must not hesitate. My burdens wait. I will erase the demons of the past.
Twilight for hire!
Disaster is imminent. Aiur will be. We must not hesitate. In the service of Aiur. We must be prepared to defend our base. The Zerg are on the move.
You have not enough minerals.
I will be redeemed. My allegiance is yours.
Twilight for Aiur! We embrace the glory of battle!
And Shozak Maknul, the first Overmind tendril. I sense pain, surprise, death.
Twilight for Aiur!
Your warriors have engaged the enemy.
Adum Torida, Zeratul. We were trapped within the gate's energy matrix when it was deactivated. You have our thanks.
En Arudin, Rash.
My light for Aiur.
You have not enough minerals. You have not enough.
My light for Aiur.
Sukdash Salak. Shozak Maknul.
My light for Aiur.
I will erase the demons of the past.
Orin Shisa.
En Aldin.
I am here in the shadows.
Sukdash Shozak Maknul. Glory to the
We are one with the shadows.
my burdens away. I will erase the demons of the past. Sukdash Salak. We shall stand against the gods. You address me?
Let her in.
The second Overmind tendril. I sense death and joy. The Zerg seek to overwhelm us. To arms, my brethren. I will erase the demons of the past. I will be redeemed.
You must construct additional pylons.
My burdens weigh. You address me?
We embrace the glory of battle. My meditation. My light for Aiur.
In the service of Aiur.
Stay put.
My light for Aiur.
Glory to the first.
We embrace the glory of battle.
My burden. I.
We stand as one. We are the great. My light for Aiur.
Your warriors have engaged the enemy.
Shozak Maknul.
Cold is the void.
You address me?
My light for Aiur. Justice be done.
You address me?
I am here in the shadows.
Yasharak.
We embrace the glory of battle. Twilight for Aiur. I return to Twilight for Aiur.
Honor commands. In the service of Aiur.
I am here in the shadows.
We must not. The third Overmind tendril. I sense satisfaction in a plan set in motion long ago. And fear of the future. The Zerg seek to overwhelm our base.
I am here in the shadows.
Honor command. The fourth Overmind tendril. I sense an end. I must go to the Overmind cortex to understand. Arudim, Rashagal.
Greetings, brother. I speak to you from the beyond.
Tassadar. But you died, slaying this cursed Overmind.
I have never tasted death, Zeratul, nor shall I. But that is a tale for another time. I have come to tell you of this creature's courage.
Courage? It was an abomination.
Not always. The Zerg were altered. A single overriding purpose was forced upon them. The destruction of our people. The Overmind was formed with thought and reason, but not free will. It screamed and raged within the prison of its own mind.
Who did this? Why?
I know not. But the Overmind found a way to resist its all-consuming directive. It created a chance, a hope of salvation. The Queen of Blades.
Madness.
Only she can free the Zerg from slavery, and in so doing, save all that is from the flame.
I do not understand, brother.
Forget what you know, Zeratul. The Overmind saw a vision. The end of all things. And now, you must see it too.
No. This vision. I cannot bear it. Stop.